Yep. Today I'm just covering one a very important topic. This is topic is related to deployment. This is a very known topic for all the cloud engineers and DevOps engineers are actually, and the folks who are working in the deployment uh, position actually. So I recently offered I mean I got an opportunity to to join a team in the Singapore as a cloud deployment engineer. So, but due to visa, I think this is going delaying in the decisions. Actually, this is the update from my end for all of you guys. I'm just want to share some insights about what is happening out. So today I am covering a few details about the deployment strategies and how the production environment can be deployed under the strategies actually. So many of you the seniors of our seniors already known that is the most deployment common strategies that are like the blue green deployment, the and canary deployment, well-known deployment strategies are. Then recreate and rolling updates, like rolling these four deployment strategies are there. So before going to deploy any production building any architecture, what the strategies we are going to use, we have to simply uh, think about a lot, whether it is what downtime will be there, what is your critical system is, and how big your user base is. So this all is factors are very considerable under the while implementing these strategies actually. So I think most of you are already aware about the deployment strategies. That is blue green deployment, in which we just simply make two identical environments. Like one is the production and one is the non-production. One is the testing and one is the active. Like this is the active. The production is where the actual traffic is going, and the customers are getting served, that is. And another in the in the parallel, the testing, the phase, that is the green deployment. And the active deployment is blue here in the blue green deployment. So once the the environment is fully ready use, then we will just switch over the between two deployments actually, the environments actually. Also this is costly, because you have to keep on running those production environments. That is also that will the costly also. If you if you able to sustain the able to handle the cost, then you can go with that. Again, we have that candidate deployment, where where the old one I think is stopped, and then the second one is there the small portion of what we can say, a user for a small group of users, we just open the traffic, and then if and just we just monitor the system resources, and when anything is everything is good, then we will open it for all of our pick actually. So this is in the candidate deployment. So we can see in the background I have the image for the reference actually. There we can check the recreate deployment, rolling deployment, blueprint deployment, and candidate deployment are the deployment strategies where recreate deployment, their old version is completely shut down and replaced by the new one. Here the time down is the is here actually. Once you stop the system, then definitely your system will be in the downtime phase actually. So this is the brief video about the deployment strategies, guys. So this is best for cloud engineers, for new folks who are learning the cloud related stuff. So this is the deployment related short video I have made, guys. I hope this video is helpful to all uh, all the engineers out there. And just keep learning, keep exploring the things, and actively post what are you learning, what are your updates, so you can post it. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope this video helpful to all of you. So have a good day, guys. Thank you.